Are you getting there seems to be a problem error on your GCash and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step how you can potentially fix this problem. So what you're going to do firstly is to just exit your GCash app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app on your phone, and in here what you're going to do is to just scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general in here, as you can see, then scroll down a little bit in here and then click where it says storage. So click on storage. And by the way, if you're using an Android, don't worry, you're going to be able to do the exact same thing even if you have an Android. Just find in your settings storage as well on your Android, and then you will be able to wait in here for a page similar to this, as you can see, and then just wait until all of the apps in here are loaded, and then we're just going to scroll down and find the GCash app in here. So just a second, I'm just going to keep scrolling down in here. Let's see if I can actually find it in here. If I remember correctly, it should be right here somewhere. And what we can do actually instead, if we are not able to find it, is to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the search symbol, then just search for GCash and just click on it, and then we're going to click on upload app, and then once again we're going to click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again, as you can see. So as you can see, my GCash app now says loading, and that means that my GCash app is currently getting the absolute latest update for the app. So sometimes, unfortunately, you will need to actually do this and wait for it to completely load. It might take a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, and potentially this will be able to fix this problem for you, because that there seems to be a problem is quite often it happens when you have the latest, or when you don't have the latest version of the GCash app. So just wait for it to completely update, then go back into your app, and hopefully now it's fixed for you.